Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today is video number 3 of the Southwest series, and I felt like it was time to break out the terracotta colors and get some earthy shades in there. So let's see what happens. Let me get you down. Hey guys, it's Karen. So let me catch you up on what's been going on. So this is painting number 3 of the Southwest series. There might end up being a total of 5 or definitely 4, because I do plan on doing 1 or 2 with a different pouring medium recipe. I want to do some flip cups with these colors that I promised people, and I promised somebody a true deconstructed bloom. Although I do feel like most of my stuff is deconstructed anymore. I just don't call it that. It's just, you know, I get all crazy wonky. Anyway, I did 1 try, loved the colors, but hated the order. Did it a second time, loved the order and the effects I got with the colors, and then I totally botched the tilt and spin. So that's what that is. So I do have a couple new colors this go around, because I think I would be remiss if I didn't add some sort of terracotta color to a Southwest theme. So that's what I'm going to do today. This is the star of the show. This is Terracotta by Lucas Crystal Studio from Jerry's Artorama. So we are going to start with the terracotta color. We'll just wiggle it on this time. And then we're going to follow that up with some more Lucas Crystal in the gold bronze color. Oh yeah, that's hella pretty. And then we're going to do maybe some gold as a color. And then Syrah. This little piggy. That was iridescent gold bright, my usual standard gold. And then teal, golden. And then, is that how I did it? Hopefully that's how I did it. And then my cell activator is the leftover from the last video. So this is my custom super deep purple. It's permanent violet dark mixed with a little bit of lamp black. So we're going to put that down first. And then I have a second CA, which is Amsterdam's deep gold. I'm not sure I got the order right on this, but let's blow it out and see. Cool air high fan as usual. That was not the right order that I had last time. It's not as pretty. And it's still kind of pretty, but it's not as pretty as it was. I'm gonna blow out this one little part of purple. Hold on. I'm gonna stretch it out and see. I might have to call Mulligan again. And then stop the camera, rewind, and figure out why. I thought I had put my cups down in order too. But we'll see. So I'm gonna have this just like kind of touch off this side and not on my thingy. So I'm gonna come over here. Bear with me if you can't see. I'm just stretching it side to side for a second. It's kind of pretty. I do like this color palette. I think it might be, I mean, I like the one in the last video a lot, but this might be my favorite. I might have to, that's why I said I don't know when the series is going to stop, because I keep liking the color palettes so much. Hold on, stop. Whoa. I love this whole thing up top there. That is crazy, wild, cool. I wonder if I could save that before it goes off. And take everything downhill. Hopefully the weight of the paint should be right in the middle. Seems like it is. See it all traveling right here. Giving wonky sides, that's okay. Get on the spinner, get it over. Oh, there you go. Well, not that far. There we go. All right. Let me, did that just show up? I don't remember that being there. Or did I stick my finger in it or something? I can fix that later. Hold on. I stopped it again because I don't want to lose that hard line at the top. I still have this corner to get to. So I'm going to tilt it again and then spin again. All right. I think I'm going to tilt a little bit toward you guys too. Yeah, I think that'll help a lot. Plus, there's these really cool, very thin, fine lines in this upper right-hand corner for me that I kind of want to keep because they're just badass. Hopefully this takes off the wonkiness on that side. Here it goes. Is anything even coming off? I can't tell. I got dizzy that time. Oh yeah, a ton came off that side. A little tiny corner. One more little tilt. Ugh, come on. Got some suction going. One more little baby tilt this way. Put it down here. I am going to go again with I'm going to break my own rule. I said every painting would have a different color palette. I am going to use this palette, this exact color palette again. Maybe I'll get it and just do it in a different order. I'm trying to spin off a corner. I forgot to show you. Yeah, right here. Oh my gosh. I kind of love this one. Do I call it? I'm letting all the paint run down the sides, giving this a good stare. I don't know what it is. I just think it's cool looking. I need some very clean white. So I'm going to grab my spatula out of my PPG MultiPro can and touch up right here. I'm just going to use a little bit of paint to do it and drag it off there. And I got some sort of weird little splooge here, some little boo-boo. I'm going to take that off there. And let me do a skewer test, which of course, I put the skewers on the other side of my table. So now I gotta go get it. Hold on a second. Wipe off my fingers too. And I just kind of want to look at it from a distance and see if I like the negative space at the top too. I do. There's an awful lot of terracotta, but there's a lot of gold too, so you'll see that in a second. But okay, kind of wipe off my fingers and let me test it. Where? You guys see that? It could lose like just a little tiny bit of paint. This is PPG MultiPro though, so that it tends to dry really well. I love the composition so much on this one. I think I'm gonna say ta-da and leave it. I also like, and I don't know if it's, I don't think it's conveying on this camera right now. You'll see it when I get you down close, but like the bands of color, it goes from, this whole part here is all of the colors, and then gold with the bronze, and then, yeah, I'll just show you when I get you down. It's too hard to show you right here. But there it is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can see, yeah, you got it all. You're not missing anything up on the bottom there. Let me clean up, get you guys down for a close-up. And yeah, definitely going to use this palette again and change up the order. All right, guys, I'm back with the almost dry results. I forgot to film the wet, and I'm giggling because my husband's here. He's being super quiet, but we were debating. He was telling me that turquoise isn't a Southwest color. And I'm like, yes, it is. Turquoise jewelry. And he's like, oh, yeah. But I love the hint of turquoise, or actually that's teal. And this is one of his favorites for some reason. Right, honey? He's just nodding. He won't get on camera. I love the bottom with the gold sitting on top of the terracotta down there. And when I had it lying flat, it almost had like a color shift reaction, that you looked at it one way and the whole bottom looked like it was terracotta, and then, you know, if you moved, it looked like it was all gold. Very, very cool. It's not doing it on the wall though. Anyway, I like it in this floater frame too. So there's another one. Let me know what you guys think. I really like the swoop too. Like, the swoop makes me happy. Yeah, one or two more to go. Let me flip around. Hey, I'm back just for a quick second because I wanted to show you the bottom. See how it looks like it's predominantly terracotta colored? But then when I come up, look at that. It goes all gold. I did not mean to do that, but it's cool as hell. See, like gold, gold. That's my skylight showing that reflection right there. But then when I pull it back and turn it, terracotta. Just a little extra bonus feature of this piece. Yep. All right, guys, hold on one sec. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Before I forget, please check out the Fluid Art Boutique. Time's ticking away. Get your tickets. Come hang out with us in Dublin. It's going to be so much fun. We're starting to get really excited as it gets closer. And just wanted to give you a heads up. This is video number 3. Number 4, I have this idea for doing something to pay homage to the Grand Canyon. And so I feel a landscape painting coming on to capture like the rocks and the sunset and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that in a few days. Until then, be well, take care. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please just watch. Please let the videos run. That helps most. Even if you don't subscribe to me, you know, go grab a burger and let the videos roll on. That helps the most. Anyway, you guys take care. See you next time. Peace out.